Hi guys, today we're gonna start a SideHack in my dad's car.
Truck.
I mean. These are the tools where he's gonna use.
We're gonna use a 9/16 wrench, 1/2 inch, and 5/16 Allen. Those are the power tools. First thing we need to do, because I already have the table and the UltraSwing, we need to remove the table and the tire to be able to get access to the back.
He's gonna have to remove the screws.
We're gonna have to remove the screws to remove the table.
Right now he's gonna be removing the screws.
I love power tools. When you have 2 bolts left, you're gonna wanna hold the table in place. It's gonna drop. Hold this. We also need to remove these 2 bolts and use the longer version that came in the hardware to attach the high sag to the frame.
Now he's taking out the tire.
Okay, stop it.
He's putting his tire that and don't hurt your back.
Okay. Come this way. Like I said before, we need to remove these 2 bolts and use the ones that come on the hardware. So right now, she's helping me with the hardware to see what we have. Basically, we're gonna use these 2 right here on the bracket, but we're gonna install one of the side of the SideHack first, right? All the way out. Good job. This is how it comes in the box. It comes with nylon washers. So you're gonna remove all these bolts and dispose the washers. You don't need this. This is how you mount your rotor packs mount. You have to do it from behind. Actually 3 bolts, but 2 will do it right now. Now you put the back plate and you wanna use one of the screws, one of the bolts, the gold bolts, with a crotch washer and a regular black washer. This is how you align it. One here. You do it by hand first. Do not tie in them. Okay, go back. Wait. Like this. Give me the other one. You do one side first so it can hold and you can put the rest of the bolts. Do it by hand. Now you want to mount the tire and whatever you want to mount for accessory, you want to make sure it doesn't hit the tire. I'm putting the propane tank here and the water tank on the back. Now I put all the black bolts with the washers. Just tying it by hand. Now that we make sure that the tire is not gonna hit, you start tightening the bolts from the right to left.
My dad's always finished.
We got that Rotopax mount. We're gonna put the table right now. The propane tank mount. This is the final product. Side of the table.
Hi guys, this is the final part, and my dad did it all by himself.
What did we do?
We first put the tire on,
And then
and then we put this on.
was that a propane tank? Yeah. Now we're gonna be able to cook. Say, please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.